Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have an enemy battler with Vritra by Tovariki Fubuki, a character art dressed in purple by Popoya. Next, we have an MV and MC plugin that allows us to show only the horizontal sprites of our character. It also maintains the direction the character is facing, so moving up or down while facing right will keep the character facing right, and moving up or down while facing left will keep the character facing left. A great plugin for creating side-scroller games. This was shared and commissioned by Vanilla Broker and made by Desire144. Moving on, a simple frame and background for faces, character arts and pictures by Scapegoat. Taskticker, a minimalistic project management tool by Yikescloud for planning our game-making tasks and tracking how much time we spend working on them. Next, a pack of sword-related sound effects and another pack of Sci-Fi UI sound effects, both by Soundkaja. A Kart Sprite by The Real Fusion. There is a fun thing going on this thread, where members are recoloring the go-kart and putting the original character on the seat. Feel free to join in. A Tileset by Coco reflection on a Reaper-themed legendary palace. An article tutorial on creating time-based events by Hidden One. And a video by Amalgam Ash answering top 28 frequently asked questions about MV3D. That is all for today. Go back to game making now.